love you, Dax Flame.
I used to love you until we realized you were
This
an
is
actor.
the Dax Flame wall.
Which
With all
we
famous
Don't
words.
mess with the Dax.
I had some Fruit Loops. It was funny.
Open, bite down. Open, bite down. Open, bite. You didn't write down.
I couldn't think down. It's our rule of all our favorite quotes.
Don't mess with the Dax.
But now that we know
Sharkanism.
Promiscuism.
Hey people, I was about to go to sleep, but I have a funny...
we just stopped.
Another bitch.
So today I went...
Not red.
Ground blowing.
Yeah,
It was a ground blowing plan.
we used to love him, but now we know he's an actor. Thanks for
Not
nothing.
even the head
Thanks
honcho.
for
Not even a hedge show.
Thanks for nothing.
Let's see what
Let's see what can do.
Everyone knows I can pulverize.
Oh, this is one of my faves.
Or my idiot. Lisa Dumba equals evil. She's the number one girl on my list.
But this is one of my favorites too.
It was
No,
cool.
go up.
Tingly.
Any doctor or is smart knows that.
The orange one above that is my favorite.
You
I
can
picked
like
apples. 8 questions.
Yep. And
Can you say what's a joke? That's
so
one of
what's
my
a
other favorites.
joke?
Yeah, it all meant something to us at one point, but now that we know that he's an actor, it's just like, no.
This was the famous Dax Flame wall.
Thanks for nothing, Dax. I used to love you.
There was the sexy picture of Dax.
And his short shorts. Show the short shorts.
There's the short shorts.
I loved him.
He was like,
But no.
sex.
He's a sex
He
muffin.
just had to go and be fake on us.
Later, guys.